skipping.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm with you though. I'm with you. If it's enough in there, yeah. Nah, I'm buy you yours, man. I want pineapple, lemon, and. Okay. You my wife. Somebody talking about that's my wife, nigga. Oh, right there. You know Super Mike. Hey, I'm tipping and everything, man. He say you keep acting like you don't know who he is. He finna come show you who Super Mike is. He gonna come show you. Instagram, you on Instagram, ain't you?
What's his name on Instagram?
Super Mike,
I'm gonna have to look on that.
Yeah, you gonna have to look. It's Super Mike, last name Hog. You can't miss him. It's Super Mike. Man.
Who the fuck is Super Mike?
Hey, tell him, who the fuck is Super Mike?
Super Mike, who is you?
Right lane for the win. Right lane. Left lane for the win. Damn that thing, I told you. Let me go get my here we but it ain't. Right lane for the win. I know he ran his ass down, but I think he broke out. Mike came in the building.
Motherfucking bullshit, sandbagging, man.
Yeah. Wheel must have came now. Up, boy. In the pearl white, I got ready. Damn, boost that damn turbo. Betting all the way. Right lane for the win. lane. Set, go. Oh, they going. Oh, they going. He got red down.
Let's get paid.
Man, God damn, y'all. God damn. Man, Rafa keep peeling that motherfucker up, man. He done got me 2 times with that bullshit. Man. Nah, I'm gonna run him, bro. I'm gonna run him. Right line for the win, man. Hey, Mr. James K, what do the K stand for?
K-A-Y.
Oh, damn. I thought you were something.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.